Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the HobbyDude 007 channel and another installment of Now That's Cool. Last night I was sitting at the desk. I turned around to the credenza to look for something, and a model in a particular case caught my eye. It was one that my granddaughter made, and I want to go back and share that with you because this one was really special. Stick around. If you've been following the channel for any length of time, you know that my granddaughter Zoe and I have built a few models on the channel. In fact, we have built 6 cars, and she and her dad built a Tomcat not too long ago too, and had moving parts, some really cool stuff. Well, she started when she was 4, and this was the first car she did with that we did together, which was one of the Revell Snap Type Mustangs, and we've done this one and a red one. We've done the Revell Jeep. We've done several cars, and we've had a good time with each of them. And as I was stating in the intro, I was looking back on the credenza, and I happened to see in a case one of the cars that she and I did, and I did a video on teaching a 6-year-old how to use an airbrush. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, because I sat back and looked at that and I couldn't help but smile because of the memories that hopefully it left for her, but it certainly impressed Papa. I was really impressed with how she took to the instructions on airbrushing, and especially airbrushing chrome. But as I looked at this thing, the subject was an Airfix snap together, but this snap together is kind of like a Lego, the way it goes together. And it's this Airfix Jeep concept, and looks kind of like a gasser with the injectors and the pipes and all that stuff. Well, the kit came with a red interior, black top, some nice stickers, and but a lot of the stuff that was metallic colors were, well, they were just a bland silver color. So I decided, let's dress this up a little bit, and I'm going to teach her how to do airbrushing, and we're going to make some chrome and some polished aluminum. Well, I ended up just doing the chrome, and we used AK chrome, and here's a look at the car. And instead of just that bland silver, we primed and then shot the AK right over the primer, the chrome. And if you recall in the video, you can go back to it, teaching a 6-year-old how to airbrush. And she followed the instructions very well. And I just think this thing is cool. And of course, I've got a little prejudice about it, but it's okay. But I was very proud of her. You see the trim rings on the tires. She airbrushed those. The roll bar that's inside, let me get down here where you can see these things. The chrome trim rings, the moon tank on the front, the velocity stacks, the pipes, the chrome roll bar and fuel cell in the back. She really did a good job. She did a great job lining up all of the strips that go along the top there. Now, I've been impressed with her decal / sticker work anyway, because when she did her Scooby-Doo van, I let her put all the stickers on, and she lined those things up absolutely perfectly, and I was impressed. And speaking of which, she made the magazine. Check this out. Is that not cool? But I'm very proud of her. Now, getting back to the Jeep, now take a look at this. She not only did the chrome airbrushing and got it all snapped together, and by the way, the grill, I let her use a silver Sharpie, and she went down into the grill slats. She also used that on the knockoff type things on the wheels. That's a silver Sharpie. Let's get around here. You see that grill? She just got right up in there. And the knockoffs there. And all of the stickers, the tail lights, the little things back there, the fuel inlets, the little decal there on the fender, the headlights, she just lined those things right up. I think the right front headlight I had to adjust just a touch, but she did everything and was just spot on. And I am very proud of her, and this thing was something. But here's the big thing. She did not like the flames that came on with the kit, because when you got them on there, they look kind of brown over that black. And she didn't care for the flames anyway. So we went through my decal box, if you remember the video, and we found these. I think these are from Slicks, and they're on the hood. And these are water slide. And I started thinking, when I was 6, my dad started me with models, and he showed me how to do decals. And I want you to look at this. She got those things laid down there, nice and smooth. And I tell you what, guys, for a 6-year-old, I think this is cool. Now, with her Scooby-Doo airplane and her Scooby-Doo truck, you see here, she both are the van. She actually won a couple of awards at the Hope It Don't Snow show. And this past year, with this vehicle, with this concept Jeep, she was once again a first place winner, and I was so proud of her. It got photographed by the magazine too. Of course, we haven't seen anything in a magazine yet, and don't know if it makes it or not, but she had a blast. We're getting ready to do another one, and she wants to airbrush another car, and this time she wants it to be pink. Who'd have thought? So we may be doing another video on that. I just happened to see something else. You see the shocks in there? If you remember, as you see in this picture, we let her use the Tamiya panel line. That was just the bare plastic, the gold shocks, and put the panel line. Well, sorry guys, drop the camera. Anyway, let her use the panel liner on that, and man, it was really something. I think it turned out really great, and Zozo, Papa loves you, very proud of you. You did an awesome job. Look forward to getting this next one painted with you and built. But this is fun, and guys, like I said, for this rendition of Now That's Cool to Papa, this is really cool. Very proud of it. Now, what I had in mind for today, I'll do next week, and I think you're really going to like it too. Well, guys, appreciate you hanging around and watching this and remembering with me. Give Zoe a comment and a thumbs up, especially a thumbs up. She loves those thumbs ups. So, guys, I do appreciate you very much. Head over to HobbyNut Models and see if Mark's got one of these. Grab you up one of these boogers for a snap together. It's got a lot of little details in there, too. The dash, all of that stuff's got some really cool stickers and stuff. So, kind of unique, and I really do like those wheels and tires, too. Guys, God bless. We'll see you in the next video.